So in front of me I've got SHIDU M800. In this video I'll show you how to change mode. In the beginning, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and now simply press this button to change mode between Bluetooth,
Bluetooth is waiting for connection.
USB,
Bluetooth is waiting for connection. Bluetooth is
micro SD,
Bluetooth is waiting for connection.
aux, or any other source of external device you can connect. You can connect everything right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.